Good afternoon. My name is Harvey Fox. I'm from the Lancaster County, Pennsylvania area. I've been working in the estate planning field for quite a number of years, doing wills and trusts. I'm not an attorney, but I work through a network of attorneys, being able to do wills and trusts for people. Studied trusts, read a lot of books, asked a lot of questions, understood that that is the way to go. And again, through studying trusts, I did come across Martin Goman, who led me to Liberty Aid Academy. I made the purchase, I invested in the packages, I studied, I read the Q&As to understand everything that's going on. Through that, I went and got the trust documents created and notarized. Was able to get my EIN number, no problem at all whatsoever. Ended up going to our local bank. They were very nice to work with. Got the bank accounts all set up. Got two bank accounts, both of them in first name, last name trust. The one is designated as a business account. Let me rephrase that. It's not designated as a business account, but it's noted with a separate notation just to let us know that it's our business account, so we can separate the funds, be able to track things personally better. But it's very easy. No need to stress or guess. Study and ask questions. I did submit a couple questions, was answered right away. And if you're working for God, if you're working for Jesus Christ, life doesn't necessarily become easier, but it can become better. And so I'm looking forward to helping others learn about this process, because we need to further the kingdom and be able to draw more people to Him through this program as well. God bless you all.